Working with Robert was always a challenging detective story. The profession teaches you to be working towards something which is predictable. And working with Robert was anything but predictable.
Robert was always teaching me something. Every day I would learn something, which is what kept me excited. And you learn a little bit, you want to learn some more and some more and more and more.
Both of us shared that love of things not being perfect. The colour had to be right, but the design didn't matter if it wasn't perfect.
Furniture is more to me than the material. It's the age and it's the time in which it was made. When I stare at a piece of furniture, I start to think about what must be in here. I like to look in every drawer, I like to pull all the drawers out, I like to find old receipts and pieces of papers, I like to find letters. When you find a letter that's been in an old drawer or a cabinet or the bottom of a wardrobe, then that letter must have been written with a quill dipped in ink, written slowly by someone who took their time to think about what they wanted to say. Keeping everything original and then restoring it to how it should look now if it was 300 years old is really important, because you're almost wanting to keep its edge how it should look now, but you're almost wanting to make every single mark and dint and faded bit and scratch. You want all those bits to turn into something really amazing, so all that becomes character and story. How must that dint have come? What must that ring mark have come from? Look at the ink mark. There's so much of a story if furniture's kept in the right way.